So this is a pretty standard quadratic. The typical approach is to put everything on one side of the equation so that it equals 0. So I'm going to have x squared minus 12x plus 30 equals 0. So once we do that, now we have a choice. You can either try to factor this thing and use the zero factor property, or you can use the quadratic formula. Let's just go ahead and use the quadratic formula. So that says x equals negative b, so that's 12, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's 144, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. So this comes out to 12 plus or minus the square root of 144 minus 120, which is 24, all over 2. Now this can be simplified further. We could pull a 2 out from the square root. This, however, would be a perfectly acceptable answer. But to continue simplifying, let's get a new slide here. So I have 12 plus or minus the square root of 24 over 2. Now I can simplify the radical by rewriting 24 as 4 times 6, all over 2. And then I can take the square root of the 4 and bring it outside the radical, and I get 2. So I have 12 plus or minus 2 root 6 all over 2. And then you can divide the 2 into both terms of the numerator. So we get 6 plus or minus root 6 would be another acceptable answer.